This afternoon there has been a collision between two vehicles, one travelling north, one travelling south. One has crossed the median line and connected with the other one head-on. It would appear at this stage that one person is deceased. Serious crash, you are investigating, and the coroner has been informed. The statuses range at the moment in time, but there's mainly statuses 2 and 3. There were a number of children in one of the vehicles and they have been removed to hospital. At the moment in time, people need to take consideration of the conditions when driving. We've had a bit of rain, so I would advise people to drive to the conditions.